Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on GH TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
Ayisha modi di open tokwa. Una ne Akua Addo. Ade na Ghana mu ya enipa boni samsa. You fucking. Una ne Akua Addo me your classmate, me your age mate. Wuna ne Akua Addo me your age mate. Sam kwasia niama na mu ye wo industry ni mu na obi ntumi nkasa nkyere mo no. Me ma woni mu from A to Z. Anybody obia kwasia mpanyi bi ode no kwasia sembaba me so. Me Ayisha will deal with that person. Wuna ne Akua Addo who fake bottles. Wo fake silicone no akoshe no me chiwa na obehu kwasia ba minimwani mwase wona ne Akua Addo. I'm telling you sam kwasia de na wo ye no, it is hard time for you to stop. It is hard time for you to stop. You don't take me like a sister. Kimani abagana obi nyame adom obi abe family as the manager. You go into any pakone inbox eko kacha ni say I am not good as a manager. Me mani family as the manager. He na ne Akua unika asidi wate wo bodam fo ya wo ne nam ho we nim tantan wo kan wo nyunu wo krampo na ne Akua wo to wo kwa wo kwa wo adofo da ben na wo so obi ababe ye yi amama be ka say mabe ka ho asama kire ni da ben obi abe ka asama wo na ne Akua wo say makoka bibia che nipa ni da. You don't fucking do that. You don't fucking do that. Mukoya mu silicone body ne mu hu bawe na mu fisa mu anemu. Why would you do that? You call somebody say obi ya wa downfall, but obi as a nipa na sign you obi, you can go into a nipa no DM. No wa kwa catch a nipa ni say ombra I'm not a good of a man. And na Akua na wo sha se da ben. Wo na Akua minim wa sha se we jimi pa ye jimi fo pa. Minim wa sha se na Akua Addo minim wa sha se sa de we sa na odi ye BB bright. Wo ye saligali mo wo de mi wo to me fata won kwase asem ni ba mi so. Wo ni so call celeb kwa ntokwa ba na Akua Addo mi na me kokoma wo hu fun wate. Wo hu onye sika untumi fa nto bibi papa ntade na wo de usika to me di misika ya de pa wo me di misika ya de pa wo sika de na wo de ye na Akua Addo bra out na be ka che Ghana for say wo sika de na wo de ye wo de menya time ama wo de ma girl no en send me prove na me hye ade wa send ama girl no na Akua Addo wo be hu me menya BB bright mo e na menya saligali mo de bia me catch on me. If you are not loyal to me, who bite it and me bite you, because I'm fucking loyal to all of you. Una ne Akua wa samba ye nyame na me kokoma o. Woni so call celeb mo samba ye nyame na me kokoma o. Officer de odi ye o mo no betimi de ayema na you know me. Me boot say me yemba. Woni me and I woni se na mete. Me boot say me yemba. If you think you fucking know me, you don't fucking know me one bit. Na wona de kesa anwoye anya twom na moye wo industry ni mo no, it's fucking too much. Backbiting is fucking too much. Mo de mo pese obi abekoso. Mo pese obi abekoso. You are me wo de mami oso na Akua Addo. You took ube bob say $15,000 from me. Be 7 months ne ko ntumi nchiaka. Be 7 months ne ko ntumi nchiaka. Instead of you to come and pay my fucking money back, no, and message. You see what kind of a bitch friend you are. Me say share or be loyal to me. I'll be loyal to you for the rest of my life. We are also when you're loyal. Mimi kope juma. Mimi say bina wa bebo bosia kwasia.